Hey, so it's Ella's birthday this weekend and we decided to surprise her with a little surprise road trip. So we decided to take her to Cartoon Network Hotel. And this is not gonna be an in-depth review of the hotel or anything like that, but if you are interested in my thoughts on the hotel, kind of the pros and cons of staying here, make sure you watch till the end because I will be sharing those thoughts. Ella, you excited about your birthday trip?
Yeah.
Sean, you excited about Ella's birthday trip?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Girls.
Look, what does that sign say?
Right in front. Oh my god. You guys did not guess it. Excited? Like it so far?
Yeah.
Looks so cool in here, right?
It's my birthday.
So we're nervous about this lift. Oh, there he is.
TVs on all of them.
Oh my god.
This looks just like the living room from Powerpuff Girls.
Oh my god, it does. Ooh, oh my god, it's so cute.
And that looks like their bed.
It does.
So
Who is ready for their surprise, their first surprise gift of the weekend? Okay, sorry about the terrible job wrapping this. This is for you. This is for you.
look at the front. Buttercup.
Look at mine. It says PPG for Powerpuff Girls.
Mine shows she has a little swimsuit
Oh
with
my
her
god, so cute. And her little angry
sunglasses.
face.
Sugar, spice, and everything nice.
Oh my god, you look so cute. It looks so cute with the hair. Turn around, let me see the back. I love it.
Outfit of the day. Mommy, yes! It matches your shoes.
Oh, it does match my shoes.
Oh, her new kicks.
Look, we're the Powerpuff Girls.
Wait, Daddy, come. You need
Professor, come, we need you.
creator.
Why didn't you bring your lab coat?
I left it at work. Sorry, guys.
Powerpuff Girls family.
Okay, we're gonna wake up Ella for her birthday. Let's go.
And what surprises do we have?
A balloon and a crown.
Yay. Alright, she has no idea.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ella! Yay! Ella's 9 years old! You would have been blowing and blowing that balloon forever if you were double digits, Ella.
Maybe next year.
No! I don't want to talk about that. Alright, now we are gonna have breakfast at one of my favorite places because we don't have it in the city, so anytime we're in a more rural, very, very suburban place, which is
Cracker Barrel!
Cracker Barrel! Serge is more of a
Candy
Waffle House
wrapper.
guy, which I do not approve of. But Cracker Barrel, those pancakes,
Yeah, they're really good.
there she is. Hello, Cracker Barrel. I'm coming. Coming for those pancakes. It's an hour and a half wait.
You go sideways, wide lens camera away, Mommy.
I'm sad. Alright, so we're settling for IHOP. Okay, so breakfast at IHOP was more exciting than any of us expected. Girls, you want to explain what happened?
Girl fought the other girl and said she was gonna kill her.
Yeah, this girl stormed in and just started beating up this other girl. And we were like, I thought we left Brooklyn. Like, what's happening?
I thought
What's
that
going
was-
on, Lancaster County, Pennsylvania? And then I think she like poured a glass over her head or something.
Oh, yeah.
And so it was messy, but don't worry, it was like not that serious, just a scuffle. But yeah, not what I was expecting in a peaceful Lancaster.
It's my birthday. That means I get to eat nerds.
Okay, that's quite a segue there. Yes.
Look at this cup and this little pin.
Get out of my shot. Oh my god. You guys go.
Look how much stuff we got. Okay, so this is all of my stuff, and that's all of Ella's.
I got this slush puppy popping candy. This one is
It's
purple.
slush puppy.
And then I got this icy one. Oh, it's purple dolphin. It's a little koala. A koala donut. Oh, these cups light up. Like it goes like super bright, and then just like flashing, and then just on. This one's my favorite, just the on.
Okay, so now it is time to give the girls their second surprise of the weekend. Again, sorry for the terrible wrapping.
Ooh, it's purple. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's two things. No! We're matching with all their matching girls all pajamas! I saw this on Amazon! Thank you, Miss Carmen!
You're welcome.
Hugs! Hugs! Hugs!
Yes, we're ready for cuteness overload. Oh my god, that's very cute. You guys are so matching.
Good night, Mrs. Carmen.
Good night.
You
You guys look very cozy.
She's empty right now. I think I need to make the skin a little bit darker. Yeah.
Cute. So this is Sean's one. Does she have a name, Sean?
No, not yet.
She's very cute. All right, let's see your one, Ella. Aww. She's so cute. What's her name?
She's a half.
Happy birthday, dear Ella. Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Yeah, we're 8, right? No, we're 9.
Make a wish.
Ooh, careful. Yay! Okay, so that was a lot of fun, and if you're curious about kind of the pros and cons of staying here, I will give you my honest thoughts on the Cartoon Network Hotel. So one thing that you really have to understand is this is definitely not by any means any kind of upscale hotel. In fact, it's pretty obvious if you look at it from the outside that this used to be some kind of a cheap motel that they converted over to the Cartoon Network Hotel. So while the theming is amazing, the sort of bones of the structure, the quality of the rooms, the quality of the bathrooms are not really going to be super impressive. So definitely the best part of this place is the theming. And to that point, I would say it's probably most worthwhile staying here, only if it's in your budget to afford one of the 4 themed suites. So we stayed in the Powerpuff Girls Suite, but there's also 3 other themed suites based on other Cartoon Network characters. There's Ben 10, Adventure Time, and what's the last one? And Steven Universe. Thank you, Sean. So another thing that I really liked about this place is the kind of activities that are in the lobby area. So there are a couple of virtual reality experiences that you can choose from. The girls really like that. There's an arcade. There's little stations where you can create your own Powerpuff Girls character. There are some interactive games on the floor, on the wall. And those are probably enough to occupy your kids for like an afternoon. I wouldn't say that it's like a whole day thing. Now there is also an indoor and an outdoor pool here. The girls actually didn't feel like swimming for a change, so we didn't check out the indoor pool. The outdoor pool is obviously closed for the season because we came here in the fall, but those are also great options to keep yourself busy. So I would say my recommendation is stay no more than 1 or 2 nights. 2 nights is probably better than 1. 1 would feel a little bit rushed. They sleep a lot of people, so it would be pretty easy to split this with another family. You guys could split the cost, and there's definitely enough room for everybody to stretch out. Okay, well thanks for watching, and if you want to find out why we're visiting 21 resorts in 2021, just click that video right there. If you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Please follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Top Flight Family, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.